Got the Jixer bro with us. He's back up and running. Oh yeah, we're on the tube too right now. You're on the hub, man. Damn, this new jacket's tight as fuck. It's gonna be 80 today though. I'm not sure if this jacket's gonna be good in 80. Oh yeah, it's up here somewhere. Yeah. It's over here. I've never been in here, so I wonder what they have. I might just park right here. Guys, they didn't have any fucking gear. They just had bikes. How's it going? I gotta turn on my shit. Oh yeah, we gotta get gas. I mean, I think I'll make it. The airflow feels so good, bro. Oh my god. Oh damn, those tires look good, dude. Those are slicks. Holy shit. Oh yeah, you can go in front of me. I don't know where I'm going. Plus, it's a better video when I got you in front of me too. Oh yeah, it's a nice day though. To ride. Oh yeah, dude, start scrubbing them in. Scrub them up. Yeah, scrub them in, dude. Do your thing. Feels so much better without the chest protector, actually. Yeah, I have like a little bit more like operating room, you know what I'm saying? In this area. Yeah. But yeah, fits pretty good then. Straight. Alright. I'm feeling like a real fast boy over here now. Yeah. I'll follow you. Just slide right through it real quick. Yeah. Bro, there's no way I'm wearing this jacket in 90-degree weather though. Unless we're doing like highway rides, like, cause this stop and go shit will make you pass out. And the green's growing on me. I'm just gonna keep my lime green. I kind of fuck with it now. Yeah, I just like the OEM plastic, but I'm surprised by the quality of yours. It's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. If you're just riding by real quick, I'm not gonna see it, dude. And it looks sick. How are those jeans? Those jeans flow a lot of air. I think I need to get a pair like that. Cause these ones I'm wearing right here are heavy, bro. They're they're the AAA rated or whatever. So they're like the highest protection rating, but they're just so fucking thick. Only when I have a little straightaway going in front of me. But man, there's like absolutely no way I'll wear this jacket when it's warmer than 70. Or like 80, I think. Because I think it's gonna be 80 today, right? I'm so glad I didn't wear the leather pants, bro. I would have been dead. Yeah. You have to revive. It's not bad when you're moving, bro. It's like when you start cooking the fuck up like an omelet. Yeah, like even if we're moving like this, it feels pretty not bad. Like we just gotta be moving, dude. It feels like a nice jacket though. I have to say, it's probably the nicest jacket I ever got. Oh, look at there's a lock right there. Go, 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 go. What up?